Hello, and thanks for stopping in. Today we're going to build the 24-strand Flagpole Christmas tree. This tree is built with 12 66-foot high-density LEDs. So first I start with a light adapter and star mount that I got at jaddyco.com, and I assemble it to the flagpole like such. Once the adapter is secure, I get my star and put it in its slot. It's as easy as that. Next, I like to plan my light layout, as you see here. This saves a lot of time and makes everything go nice and smooth. So once I have my layout done, I then drape the lights over the horns like so, and we'll be ready to lift the pole. If you are using a star, I highly recommend using two 33-foot strands. You see there where they join together, it gives you a place to plug your star in and prevents you from running an extension cord. I think it works out great. Alright, so this is always one of the most satisfying moments, is once everything's attached, it is ready to be lifted, and it's always just very pleasing. To prevent my stakes from pulling out, I put them in at a 45-degree angle with the sharp point going towards the flagpole. I then wrap the light for extra security, and voila, Christmas magic. Okay, so here I'm using a 10-foot spacer to keep a good distance between the pole and the base of the tree. This helps keep everything uniformed and in line. If you were considering a pre-assembled versus a DIY, I would like to tell you that the biggest benefit of the DIY tree is when a strand goes out and you can't fix it, it's just a waste of one strand, versus whenever a strand goes out on the pre-assembled, you may be able to fix it and you may not, so the entire thing may be waste. So I think that's a huge advantage of the DIY trees. Once everything is staked, I get everything plugged in the way I want it. I give it a good test, and then I'll wrap the tree. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video, and come back and watch some more. I'll be uploading more videos over the next few weeks of all of my Christmas decorations and some more trees. So appreciate you guys watching. Have a happy holiday season. God bless.